Zululand, a land of wildlife, waterfalls, and natural wonders. Zululand is one of the most beautiful and culturally rich regions in southern Africa. Located in the northern part of KwaZulu-Natal, this area is famous for its breathtaking landscapes, powerful waterfalls, and incredible wildlife. Zululand is also deeply connected to the history and traditions of the Zulu people, making it a place where nature and culture exist together in harmony. From roaring lions to towering waterfalls and lush wetlands, Zululand offers a unique glimpse into the wild beauty of Africa. The natural beauty of Zululand. Zululand is known for its diverse landscapes. The region includes rolling hills, open savannas, thick forests, rivers, wetlands, and coastal areas along the Indian Ocean. These environments create the perfect habitat for many species of animals and plants. The region is also close to the magnificent Drakensberg Mountains, which are among the most dramatic mountain ranges in Africa. These mountains influence the climate and rivers of Zululand, helping create the waterfalls and fertile land that make the region so unique. Because of its natural diversity, Zululand has become one of the most important conservation areas in South Africa. Wildlife in Zululand. One of the biggest attractions of Zululand is its incredible wildlife. The region is home to several national parks and reserves where animals roam freely in protected environments. One of the most famous parks is Hluhluwe iMfolozi Park. This park is one of the oldest game reserves in Africa and is known for its successful conservation programs, especially for rhinos. Visitors to this park can see the famous African Big Five, which include lions, African elephants, rhinos, both white and black rhinos, leopards, African buffalo. In addition to the Big Five, Zululand is also home to many other animals such as giraffes, zebras, hyenas, cheetahs, antelope and warthogs. Rivers and lakes support hippos and crocodiles, while forests and savannas provide homes for monkeys and many bird species. Bird lovers are especially attracted to the region because hundreds of bird species live in Zululand. Eagles, flamingos, kingfishers and hornbills can often be seen flying above the wetlands and forests. Another important conservation area in the region is iSimangaliso Wetland Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous for its unique mix of ecosystems, including lakes, beaches, coral reefs and wetlands. Here visitors can see hippos, crocodiles, turtles and rare birds. The stunning waterfalls of the region. Zululand and the surrounding areas are home to several beautiful waterfalls that attract travellers and nature lovers. One of the most famous waterfalls near the region is Hluhluwe Falls. This spectacular waterfall drops about 95 metres into a deep gorge. According to Zulu traditions, the falls are considered a sacred place connected to spiritual beliefs. Another breathtaking waterfall is Hluhluwe Falls. Located in the Drakensberg Mountains, Hluhluwe Falls is one of the tallest waterfalls in the world. The water cascades down several levels from a height of about 948 metres, creating a dramatic natural spectacle. During the rainy season, these waterfalls become even more powerful, with mist rising high into the air and rainbows forming in the sunlight. The importance of nature conservation. Zululand plays a vital role in protecting African wildlife. Many conservation programs operate in the region to protect endangered species, especially rhinos. In fact, Hluhluwe iMfolozi Park was one of the main locations where rhino populations were saved from extinction through a successful conservation program in the 20th century. These conservation efforts have helped ensure that future generations will continue to experience the beauty and wildlife of Zululand. Tourism and adventure. Because of its natural beauty, Zululand has become a popular destination for ecotourism. Visitors travel from around the world to enjoy activities such as safari game drives, bird watching, hiking and mountain exploration, visiting waterfalls, cultural tours in Zulu communities. Safari lodges and eco-resorts in the region allow travellers to experience wildlife safely while supporting conservation efforts. Many visitors describe Zululand as one of the most authentic African safari experiences because it combines wildlife, culture, and dramatic landscapes. The cultural heritage of Zululand. Beyond its natural beauty, Zululand is deeply connected to the history of the Zulu people. The region was once ruled by the legendary Zulu king Shaka Zulu, who built a powerful kingdom in the early 19th century. Today, many Zulu traditions are still practiced in the region. Visitors can experience traditional dances, music, clothing, and ceremonies that celebrate the rich heritage of the Zulu nation. This strong cultural identity makes Zululand more than just a wildlife destination. It is also a place where history and traditions remain alive. Concludes Zululand is truly one of Africa's hidden treasures. With its wild animals, majestic waterfalls, vast landscapes, and vibrant culture, the region offers an unforgettable experience for anyone who loves nature and adventure. Whether exploring the wildlife of Hluhluwe iMfolozi Park, witnessing the power of Tugela Falls, or learning about the legacy of Shaka Zulu visitors, quickly discover why Zululand is one of the most fascinating regions in Africa. For travellers seeking a place where wildlife roams freely, waterfalls roar through deep valleys, and culture thrives, Zululand remains a land of wonder waiting to be explored.